Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys an unboxing, a small little mini unboxing that I got from Influencer. So if you want to know what I got in the box, then stick around. So let's get started right away, you guys. Here is the box I got from Influencer. A nice pink box, a very pleasant surprise, because you never know if they're gonna select you and send you a box. So when you get a box, it's a very pleasant surprise, and of course you have to do your part when you receive these boxes. So here I am posting a video, doing my part and doing a, I guess, unboxing type of situation. So in this cute pink box, and their boxes vary from time to time. I think the last box I got was a black box and it had the Anastasia Beverly Hills like brow products. I did post a video on it, so go check it out if you're curious about that. But this one was let's say an even bigger surprise, just because normally when I get these boxes, they are filled with makeup and skincare, but this one was a little bit different. And I think that's because when I answered questions on the influencer website, like they kind of select who to pick and do their surveys. When I answered their questions, I selected a couple of stuff that I'm okay with receiving that was not makeup item or like not makeup slash skincare. So let's just jump right in and dive into what I got in this box. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is this little cinnamon churro right here. This is by the brand called Smashmallow. Now, you guys, if you've been following me for a really long time on my Instagram stories, on like my TikTok, on a lot of my other social media platforms, which, by the way, if you're not following me already, you should do so. Links to all my social media platforms are down below in the description box. So go ahead and scroll down and click and follow me so you won't miss out on any other fun content over there. But anyway, this is from the brand called Smashmallow, and this is their cinnamon churro, pretty much like a cinnamon churro marshmallow. It tastes divine. It is delicious, and honestly, lucky for me, I got my favorite flavor. They have different flavors of these Smashmallow. They're supposed to be like a healthier alternative to like marshmallows, I guess, but they still taste nice and airy, nice and like delicious. So honestly, I can say 100% recommend the Smashmallow. You guys might like the other flavors, so definitely go try them out, but I know for a fact the cinnamon churro is my favorite flavor. I have gotten it before numerous times and I love it. Honestly, I really do love this and it's delicious. It tastes really good and I love it. So this was a nice sweet surprise and I am super happy this came in the box. So let's go ahead and open it up just to see what it looks like. I mean, I already know what it looks like, but to show you guys what it looks like, I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And when you buy it at the store, it comes like in a little like Ziploc type of bag. So they're not individually wrapped like this. So at least the ones I get from the store, they're like, a bunch of them in like a Ziploc type bag. All right, so let's take this out. So this is what it looks like. This is the cinnamon churro Smashmallow. As you guys can see, it's nice and marshmallowy, soft. If you guys take a look really carefully, it does have like that little cinnamony, like churro-like, coating all over it. You guys, I know this is gonna be delicious. All right, here is a little treat for me and I guess some for you if you wanted some, but treat for me. Cheers, you guys. Delicious. I do recommend this. That tasted delicious, you guys. Honestly, I do recommend the Smashmallow cinnamon churro. That is my personal favorite. I've tried their like strawberry one, and that one I liked it, but I think I like the cinnamon churro much better. So if I had to pick one to recommend, it would definitely be the cinnamon churro smash mallow. So go ahead and go to a store, and if they have it, I do recommend trying it out because it's delicious and it's supposed to be a healthier version of a marshmallow. So I guess that's a good thing, right? All right. Next thing is another item we're gonna take out. So in the box, I also received a dishwashing detergent. All right, this is the brand that I got. This is the Lemmy Shine dishwashing detergent. It cuts grease. It removes stuck on food. It's powerful citric extract. So that's what I got. And you know, honestly, I don't really use my dishwasher like often. I just like kind of wash my dishes right after I eat, so I don't have like piles of dishes piled up. So I mean, yes, I do use the dishwasher sometimes because I get a little bit lazy, but for the most part, I don't really use it like that. So I feel like I do want to do a little like first impression, try this product out, see how it works. Does it really cut grease? Does it really remove stuck on food? I mean, that's the claim that it's making right on the packaging. So I do want to try it out. So I think I'm going to try this out on my Instagram story or maybe even my TikTok. If you're not following me there, go ahead and you can see if this product really works or not. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and open it. I mean, I can always use, dishwashing detergent. Why not? I do use the dishwasher, but not like every single day, I mean, if you're, let's say, if you're Asian, you would know the dishwasher is meant to store clean dishes, not dirty dishes, right? I mean, like down below or comment if you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's open this up and see what this dishwasher detergent looks like. All right. This is what it looks like. Very interesting. It has like 2 compartments. So the first compartment right here on this side is like a liquid. And then the other side is some type of solid. So that's very interesting. I wonder why it comes in like 2 separate little compartments instead of having the entire thing in one compartment. That is pretty intriguing to me. I'm going to read the packaging real quick and see if it has any information as to why that is. I mean, it tells us directions on how to use it, which I already know. Let's see. It's a dramatic cleaning power, grease cutting, 48 hours stuck on food, no pre-wash needed. It is giving you a sparkly shine, rinses away residue, spotless glassware, etch protection. It's safe to use on dishwasher, safe material. It removes tea, coffee stain, burnt and baked on food, brilliantly clean silverware, help maintain dishwasher. All right. That's what it claims to do, which, like I said, I'm definitely going to be doing some type of like first impression video using this product on my TikTok or my Instagram because we got to see if this works. Because if it does, then this might be my next best friend. All right. I mean, it doesn't really tell me why they are in 2 compartments, but I'm sure there is a reason for it, which I really don't know. But hey, not mad about this. And it says it's a citric. Let's see. It does smell good. I mean, there's that. I do love a nice smelling clean dish. So honestly, I am excited to use this. So I think I might have to not wash my dishes after I eat, pile them up, and then see if this really works. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to be super, super disappointed because all those claims and at least give me clean dishes at least. I mean, it doesn't have to have like the sparkle and shine, I guess, but at least give me clean dishes. But we don't know yet. We haven't tried it out yet. Like I said again, trying them out on my TikTok or my Instagram stories. So This is the second product that I received from Influencer, which, by the way, thank you so much, Influencer, for sending all these products to me. I do truly, truly, really appreciate it. And honestly, I do really appreciate it, especially at times like this where it's just really hard to get certain products. This stuff really helps me a lot. Now, I do have one more product I want to show you guys, and that is this. This is, I guess they did send me one skincare item, and this is the new 7 Fortifying Moisturizer Gold Bond Ultimate Body Treatment Cream. Voila, that's what they sent me. All right, so this is a Gold Bond Ultimate Body Treatment Cream. It does sound like something I'm going to enjoy. It tells us it is a broad spectrum SPF 20 sunscreen. You guys know how much I rave about sunscreens and how important they are. So getting myself another sunscreen is definitely a plus in my book. According to the packaging, it tells us it defends from skin aging effects of daily UV exposure. That is amazing. Now, let's see what it claims that it can do for us. So, it says it is for your neck and your chest, and it's for age defense. You guys, I'm getting older and not younger, all right? As a matter of fact, all of us here are getting older and not getting any younger, right? So, I feel like take care of your skin as early as possible. Of course, any like skincare advice, recommendation, what have you, go see your dermatologist, ask a professional. I'm just a person that loves beauty, makeup, skincare, and I love to share my own opinion with you guys. Do your own research and figure out what's best for your skin. I mean, the internet is at your hand. Use Google, use what you got, use the resources, and you gotta sometimes do a little bit of a homework to figure out what's good for you, right? All right, so back to this product. It tells us this is formulated with key ingredients to help protect from visible signs of premature aging on the neck and chest and defend from the damaging effects of daily UV exposure, all right? It also tells us physically different than other skin on your body. The delicate neck and chest area is one of the first to show signs of aging. You know what? That is very interesting because I thought the first place and now I just thought, the first place to show like signs of aging would be like your hands. So I guess I was wrong. And this is letting us know that the first place to show signs of aging is your neck and your chest. So, I mean, that means I might have to start taking care of my neck a little bit better, I guess. So I don't want like a young, glowy, like youthful face and then my neck looks all kind of weird. You know what I mean? I don't want that, all right? So, carrying on, it also let us know that as one of the most exposed areas of the body, the neck and chest are highly susceptible to damage caused by environment and UV rays, making it age faster. Also, over time, our skin naturally loses its youthful firmness and texture as lipids. Collagen and hyaluronic acid, a natural hydration component within skin, start to decline, aging its appearance. So basically, this is gonna help me with the whole anti-aging stuff. That's what it kind of sounds like it is for me. Honestly, I am excited about this. I do have to see. Let me see real quick. I mean, it's SPF 20, helps protect from premature aging caused by UV exposure, has hyaluronic acid, which helps skin retain moisture, and it has fortifying moisturizers to help prevent dry dullness, all right? Just that alone, you guys, is calling my name. I haven't tried this. This is also going to be a first impression. I've never tried this particular product before. So if you want to know like updates on it, go ahead and again follow me on my Instagram or TikTok and I will tell you guys updates. Yeah, this is a first time using it, but just by reading what it's telling me it's going to do for me, I am honestly really excited. SPF, retain moisture. You guys know that is, if you've been following me for a really long time, you would know my skin is like super dry and just really dry, you guys. So SPF, retains moisture, and it helps prevent dry dullness. Yes, yes, and yes, you guys. Super excited about this. I'm going to take it out and show you guys what it looks like outside of the box. So this is what it looks like, you guys. And it comes in a nice tube, very simple. It has a nice gold cap on it. All right, let's open it up and see what the product looks like. So I squeezed a little bit on the back of my hand, and excuse my little, what do you call it? Like a Fitbit activewear watch tan. I took that off. Anyway, so squeeze that out a little bit. It's a white moisturizer. And, let's see. It feels nice. It feels like a regular hydrating moisturizer. That's what it looks like, you guys. And then when I rub it all into my hand, that is what it looks like on the back of my hand. My skin looks nice and fresh, nice and moisturized. It has a smell to it, but not a bad smell. It's not like the SPF kind of smell, and if you guys know what I'm talking about, that's like the best way I can describe it, like that SPF-y smell. It's not that kind of smell. It's like a decent smell. I can't really pinpoint what the smell is, but there is definitely a smell to this, but I'm not hating it. It's good. Alright, so if you want updates on that, follow me on my social media, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. Links are down below, and well, that is pretty much it for this influencer unboxing. Again, I am super thankful that influencer chose me to, you know, unbox one of their boxes and share it with you guys. I am very happy, and honestly, I think my favorite part, although skincare, I feel like skincare should definitely be my favorite part in this box, I am kind of excited to try this out just because it has all these crazy claims, and I want to know, I want to see with my own two eyes if they're going to work or not. That's just what I'm really excited for. So if you don't want to miss out on that, follow me on my Instagram and I will show you. What else, you guys? That is pretty much it for this unboxing. You guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these unboxing videos where I talk about different products that came in the box, I guess, right? These are just different products that came in the influencer box. If you guys like this video and like unboxing videos, go ahead and like this video down below. Give it a thumbs up, you guys. Honestly, you giving this video a thumbs up does mean so much to me, and I really, 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 truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, click subscribe and join the Kwak fam. Do so by clicking that red button and making it a gray button. And if you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe because, well, I do try my best to bring out fun and entertaining content for you guys, and also informative. So yeah, click subscribe. It's also free, so why not? You know, free for you, and it helps me out, so it's like a win-win situation. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why.